earlier we've had Indian-made robots in our restaurant. So we used to face some problems with the existing ones, but when we have actually met Ritesh, we are able to, he has proposed us something, and we've started experimenting with the two robots that you were seeing right now. And so when I met Ritesh, he has introduced me to two new different robots. So we've started experimenting with them, and they're really doing well. So we are able to reduce our work burden and workflow and improve our efficiency by about 30 to 40% using the robots. Able to increase our efficiency by 35%, and right now we are actually learning all the new features. It's been only a month and they are quite efficient. The service with Prospero is really good. Like, they are just a phone call away, they are always available, and you can always get a proper technical support. One good thing about Prospero is you need not be a technical guy to actually operate the robots. They are just like using any other social media platform.